Okay, so what we're going to do now is create our blog. And in Creative Builder, it's really easy. And plus, your blog can be adaptive. So let's go to our website and we'll click Add Page. And you'll give your blog page a title. I'm just going to call mine Knowledge Kitchen. And cooking up tips and tricks about everything from course creation to AI vibe coding. And this is just off the top of the head. So I'm going to hit Magic Rewrite to help me make that a little bit better. And I'm going to use image keyword Knowledge Kitchen. And we got to check this box here. That way you can activate the blogging system. So we'll generate page. And there's one really cool thing I'm going to show you at the end, especially if you are a pro user. This is really cool. So let's go to our page and just view our site. All right. It didn't find a background image for Knowledge Kitchen. So let's put one in here. Let's try it again. Let's try it one more time. I'm not finding really anything that I like. I know I need to hurry it up. So, yeah, that one's good. All right. And as you can see here, it says featured insights because that was in my description. So it pulled that out and made it featured insights. For example, if you were like running a real estate website, it'd say like featured listings, and then you would use your blog post to create your listings. So each one would be a listing. Same thing for a restaurant if they want to use it for a menu, et cetera, et cetera. So it's already auto saved. So let's just go back and let's create a post real quick. So let's create a post. And I've actually got text in here for a post. I think I do, anyways. I may not. I may have already deleted it. All right. So let's create a new one. 10. What do we want to say? 10 tricks most people don't know about pre-selling a product. Now, I know we could say that better. So let's, you know what? We'll just use AI to generate that. This is just a tutorial, so it doesn't have to be perfect, right? So we'll click generate. Now you have these buttons here where it'll just enhance your copy once it's generated. You can actually have it improve sections or expand on sections. So, and right here, you can have it dump in an introduction, conclusion, key points, and a quote. And that would give it structure. But it may be too late since I hit generate first. And this is also if you just want to know how a blog post is written, you can just hit each one of those and then write out your own. You do not have to use AI, by the way, to create your blog. So right now, while we're waiting for the blog post to create, we'll go ahead and do the image. So we'll do, uh, let's put in pre-sale and see if anything comes up for that. Nope. let's go for sale. There we go. Let me try. I'm just going to try and see if I can do. And let me try combining the words together. I'm just curious. Yeah, that'll work. All right. So as you can see here, 10 tricks most people don't know about pre-selling a product. Pre-selling a product sounds simple: announce an offer, collect orders, and build things later. In reality, most pre-sale campaigns fail because they focus on hype instead of trust, validation, and buyer psychology. And you've probably heard a million times, somebody's got to know, like, and trust you in order to buy. So I'm assuming that this is a good article. Sell the outcome, not the product, which is 100% true. Use a founding customer offer instead of generic discount. Yes, this is very true as well. This is actually good stuff. I will link in the video the actual blog. That way you can see it. So in here, you also have settings where you can put your keyword. I went to change the featured image, but you can actually put the image in here. You can add your tags, and you can make the blog either a featured post or a popular post. You can come in here and put your SEO, so your meta title, meta description, and keywords. And this is just a preview. And now we'll just go ahead and change the status. We'll click publish. And we'll go down here and make sure our blog is published. And yes, it is. So let's go view everything now that we've put it together. So we'll go to our blog, view live. And there's our post that we just made. This is an old post. So let's go ahead and view project. And here it is. Now, the one thing is you can actually delete this out of your post since you already know it's going to be in the headline, or you can just leave it like it is. And as you can see here, it was added to your menu automatically. So now we can go back to blog. Now, the one thing I promised you was something really cool. Right here, if you have a pro account and you have your social media connected, you can click that button there, share. And now you can click where you want to share it to. And it's already got your Facebook captions, Instagram, all this already created for you already. And you can just select which ones you want. So obviously it selects all of them first. And it knows, the AI knows, like how many characters you use for Blue Sky versus Instagram versus Facebook, etc. So this is very, very cool and very powerful. And you can actually have it regenerate everything. So as you can see here for the Facebook one, it's 1,001 characters. Oh, that's Instagram. Sorry. And you can click post now and it will post it out to all your socials. And that's if you have a pro plan and you automatically get full access to Social Brew. So that is something that's very cool and will save you a ton of time. And this is just posting your blog post. Wait until you see the video on how Social Brew works. It is crazy. So I will end it with that, and I will see you guys in the next video.